Here's my Chevy K30, the 1978 frame with a 1988 front clip and cab. This truck started off as a 78 GMC C35. Which is pretty much a Chevy C30. It is now swapped to a K30 style truck. It's a Dana 60 Kingpin. It's got all the CUCV factory military stuff on it, like the brush guard, the bumpers with the D-ring mounts, as well as the camo rattle can paint job. Actually came out pretty good. Body's really not in too bad a shape. It's a Dana 70 HD rear end. It had 410s, but now it has 354 gears. The CUCV rear bumper. Big 4-inch exhaust. Check out under the hood. So this truck was a 454 Turbo 400, which is a 3-speed automatic truck. Now it is a 12-valve Cummins. It's a VE pump. It's a 93 12-valve. Pretty much stock engine, stock injectors. Pump is turned up a little bit with a 3200 gov spring. Turbo is a factory 3rd gen turbo, which is a HE351. Spool's really nice and quick. Does really good. Big air filter. 4-inch downpipe. The EGT probe. Don't know how many miles are on it, but it runs really tight. Very little blow-by. 1st gen radiator, aluminum radiator, with the factory Cummins mechanical fan, which fits surprisingly pretty good in there. In front of the radiator is a 7.3 aluminum charge air cooler. It is a 5-speed manual. It is the Getrag 360 manual. I gotta mount the master cylinder reservoir still, but that's just hanging out up there. Hydro boost. Came out pretty nice. It's really tight against the firewall. It's almost touching back there. Got bench seats from the 78. They're in really nice shape. Sliding back window. The roof's in real nice shape. Floors could use a little work. Those are going to get replaced. Definitely got some rot on both sides. The boost gauge and EGT probe. Can't see too much under here. Pretty dark right now, but still needs a front drive shaft. Like I said, it's the Getrag 360, which is a 5-speed transmission that's all rebuilt. All new synchros. There's the NP205 transfer case. Big old 4-inch stainless exhaust. All the way out the back. Some nice meaty tires. Sandblasted and painted the wheels. They came out pretty nice. springs are factory replacement springs with a add-a-leaf, and then there is a 1-inch zero rate add-a-leaf from Off-Road Design. It's pretty much that 1-inch block right there, but it's bolted to the spring pack, so it's a lot safer than a conventional block that just gets pinched in there by the U-bolts, which that's what you have to run when you're lifting the front with a block. Like I said, it's just 1 inch. So with the Cummins swap, you have to raise the front end up because the oil pan is so close to the front diff. Get a better look on this side. It's pretty close. That's with it being lifted a little. So I think it sits really nice though. Look, the rear has replacement factory leaves. It's a 9-leaf pack, I believe, with a 3-inch block, big 4-inch tailpipe. Go ahead and fire it up.